Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to order Doordash for someone in another state. First, open the Doordash app or website. Before ordering, set the delivery address to the person's address in the other state. Make sure the address is entered correctly. Then save it. DoorDash will now show restaurants available in that area. Choose a restaurant, add the items to your cart, and review the order. You can also add delivery instructions or notes for the driver. Check that delivery address and payment details are correct. Then place the order. And that's it. You've successfully ordered DoorDash for someone in another state. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.